Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to download Adobe Photoshop 2022 for free. Well, let's start. First of all, open your browser. Search getintopc.com. Then search Adobe Photoshop 2022. Click here. Then here. Wait for a few moments. Then install the file. I already installed it. Let me open it. Now extract the file. The password is 123. Then open the file. Right-click here. Then click Run as Administrator. And then click here, and download it. If the download stopped in middle, close your internet. Then wait for it to install. After installing, copy these files and go to this path. Then paste them here. And done. Now it is installed. Let me show you. Well, that's it. Bye. Please remember to subscribe and watch my latest videos. Please like the video and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.